It's a little bit confusing, partly because it's got things broken off. So the easiest to see structure is going to be the splenic. So you can see a splenic artery, you can see a splenic vein running across like this. The splenic itself, once it gets to the spleen, it gives off another branch, which is going to be the left gastroepiploic. So if you remember yesterday when we talked about the gastroduodenal gives off like 3 branches. It's got like a branch that goes to the pancreas, it's got a branch that goes to the duodenum, and it's got a branch that goes to the greater curvature of the stomach, which is the right gastroepiploic. But of course this model doesn't show that. It shows the one to the pancreas. So that's why it's confusing. So, but that's what's happening there. That's going to the greater curvature of the stomach, going to the spleen. So this branch here is the celiac trunk. And the broken off little branch here would be the left gastric going up. So this branch going over here is going to be the common hepatic. And then you can see the gastroduodenal going down, and it gives off like 3 branches. So I'm not worried about you telling which branches are which at that point. We'll just kind of label it up on a diagram or a different model or something, or screenshot. But this little guy here is going to be that proper hepatic carrying on up to the liver. So this model is a little bit confusing. It's trying its hardest to confuse everybody. This branch down here is the superior mesenteric artery. And what you'll notice is it's joining up with the branch from the gastroduodenal. So certain organs like pancreas and duodenum, they have 2 blood supplies. So they get some blood from the celiac trunk, and they get some blood from the superior mesenteric. So, historically I've tried to avoid those ones because I like kind of straightforward, no kind of alternate possible answers. But it's probably good to know that. So.
What was the other? They get blood from the superior mesenteric.
And the gastroduodenal branch of the celiac trunk. So this one here. So this is all part of the gastroduodenal.
Okay, thank you.
So there's a branch which comes off and goes behind the pancreas. There's a branch which goes in front of the pancreas. And I left those off the list. They have pretty descriptive names like superior, pancreoduodenal. But I figured we'd go just with the branches that tie up neatly into. So the only branch off the gastroduodenal I was going to cover was the gastroepiploic, which ties up with the splenic branch. That way you've got the right and the left gastric tying up together, and you've got the 2 epiploics tying up together. So it'll make the diagram so much nicer to draw. Yeah. So you see the superior mesenteric vein there, and here, inferior mesenteric vein, which meets with the splenic vein, and those 2 join with the superior mesenteric vein to form the hepatic portal vein, which goes to the liver. So we'll talk about these organs again when we do the organs in lecture 10, but for the vessels, that's as much as you